Sorry ass DJ.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today is Sunday, so I just woke up. Gagawa tayo ng breakfast. Yan, ganito lang ang ginagawa ko every Sunday. Kasi, especially ngayon kasi walang markets or church. Bawal. You have to drink water. Luto na tayo ng breakfast. So, I have egg here. 3 eggs. At saka, nilalagyan ko siya ng sugar. Ganyan lang. Oh. And then, just beat it. Ang ginagawa ko. Masarap kaya siya pag breakfast. Pero na. And then, dapat na break. This one. Tapos yung ginagawa ko yung plain bread. Alam mo yun? Plain bread. Pwede mo naman siya lagyan ng cheese. Ang ginagawa ko kasi you can just put cheese na ito. So, yan lang. And then, gagamit tayo ng butter. May ako nagamit ng butter. For this one. Kahit konti lang. Harap. Simple lang siya. You can cook this one in your house. Alright. While I'm doing that one, let's do that. Just do like this. Course. And then just dip the bread on one side. You can do it both sides. Hanggang sa mag-ano siya. dilig tayo. This is my babies. Diba? So this is my plant. Yeah, this is desert rose. What you call that? Yeah, I forget the name of this. Ito, forget. This is the orchid. A snake plant, I think. Desert rose. Yeah, I forget the name. I don't know the name. Also, you can also put this one indoor. Yeah, inside the house, and this one as well. Yeah, puro ito sa sa loob ng bahay. Pero nilalabas namin yan every week kasi walang sun sa loob. So yan. I grew them since I came here in Australia. So they're still alive. Kasi buhay pa ako. See, may babies sila. Sa bedroom ko to nilalagay, but sa labas siya ngayon kasi lagi kaming wala sa bahay. This one. So ito, kinuha ko siya dito. Baby pa siya. So ayan na siya, oh. There's another. Oh, may ahas. No, just kidding. Just a fake one. It's fake. Right, and this is also, ayan. Mga kinuha ko siya kasi siya nag-grow. Bali ito, kinuha ko siya dito. Like the one day, di ba may mga babies? So, that's it. Aloe vera. Look, may aloe vera. Sa bedroom ko rin ito nilalagay. Sa side table. Maganda daw kasi yung aloe vera pag nilalagay niyo sa bedroom. I don't know bakit. So that's it, my aloe vera. More desert rose, mga baby desert rose nila. See, I grow them as well. Tsaka ito. I don't know what you call this one. See, tinanim ko lang siya siguro mga ganto lang. Isang ganto lang siya. Ganto. Dinikit ko lang yun. Tapos ito inipasok ko lang just like that. Cute, diba? See? Mga alaman tawag dito. I will another one. Ito rin. Bigay ito sa akin ng ate ko, si Ate Merly. Thank you, Ate Merly, for this. See? It's growing very well. Tsaka ito, mga succulents. Hindi sila masyado. Dapat ilalagay ko sa magandang pots. More aloe vera. More aloe vera. And this one as well. I don't know what they call this one. Yeah. Hanggang dito lang yung dati. Then nag-grow na siya. Ang tangkad. See? Galing yan kay Ate JB.